Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I've been making bonsai trees for 47 years. In my garden, I have over 10,000 small bonsai trees in training pots. Today, I'm going to show you how we maintain this garden. Before we get started, you can help my channel grow by hitting the subscribe and the bell notification button. These are the 2-inch pots that we use. They have a lot of drainage holes at the bottom. Using small pots will prevent the tree from growing too tall. It will look old quickly, not grow quickly. In these pots, we use Akadama soil because it is clean. 28 of them sit on a net pot rack, evenly spaced so the bonsai trees will not fight over sunlight. Then the net pot rack sits in a 10 by 20 tray. Here we have space for more roots to grow. 2-inch training pots dry out very quickly, so we can give them an extra supply of water and nutrients down there. I will tell you about my soil mixture later in the video. Summer is a growing season, so we need to prune the leaves, roots, and add fresher soil. This is 1 year of growth. We do this once a year during the summer. First, we need to cut the roots so we can remove the training pots. Then we prune each tree and place it in the clean rack. We cut off the new younger branches and the roots, leaving behind the trunk. We like all bonsai short and thick, not tall and thin. The trees should not fight over sunlight, water, and nutrients. They will all grow back, and we will have to do it again for all 10,000 trees next year. It is best to wear protective gloves and a sun hat. Like my wife Linda here, you should protect your skin when walking outside for long hours. While pruning the trees, it is important to remove all the weeds as well. Try to remove the weeds and the roots together so it will not grow back. All bonsai trees should have all the nutrients to themselves. You can keep these old fertilizers. It can still be useful in the new tray. Now I'm going to clean up the soil by removing the older roots. Just use a stick to help you loosen up the roots. Separate as much as you can. Spread the soil out and check for old roots. This could rot and spread diseases. Next, pour some new soil into the tray. You can pour any kind of soil that is light and easy for growth. My soil here is a mixture of river sand, river pebbles, akadama soil, and rice husk. I always have success using just these four. Spread it out evenly and you are done. Place the whole rack onto the tray. Then it is ready to be back on the shelf. To continue the next generation, we can plant new root and branch cuttings like this. I'm Jacqueline. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit this subscribe and notification button.